Hello everyone, welcome back to my trading journey. Martin's here, and well, let's go review this week's trades that I have opened and how they ended up. And I'm not going to talk much about anything else. I'm just going straight away to what happened. So basically, as you can see, here is my Euro USD trade, where we hit the take profit, which was terrific. So basically, this one was a successful trade. So basically, we're looking on at head and shoulders pattern. So we are currently at the neck level. Right now, there is a small rejection of this level, but I would definitely expect to see some pullback, maybe even like break out through this neckline, then double test of this level, and then shoot to the upside. So this is a potential trend reversal, because on a daily we can see that the price was currently in range. We were at the bottom of this range. So, and the last push of the downtrend was uh, quite significant, like just straight down, except this probably one pullback. So basically, yeah, it was quite necessary to see this pushback. And now we are seeing this head and shoulders pattern at the bottom of the range. So I definitely would like to see some kind of uptrend, probably to test at least, I don't know, let's see, um, maybe these levels here, maybe just somewhere up here, not 100% sure. But anyway, now it looks like we are just breaking the trend. So we will see what will happen. So, but yeah, for now, this was a really nice trade. Nice trade. So if we go back to like a 15 minutes or whatever, or maybe 1 hour, so we don't have that much data, you can see that we actually hit definitely the right spot to enter the trade. And from that point, although there was some sort of slow movement, but doesn't really matter. In the end, we definitely hit the target, and now we will see what will be the next opportunity. Maybe if we can push down here to around these levels, I would probably um, go again long. So I will be buying. So I will wait until the price will definitely push lower and see if we can find any entry signal, and then we will go for a long position. So up next, there was what, euro yen. This trade uh, basically started quite good. We were expecting to see definitely some push up, but it was probably way too small time frame. I think we were just placing the bet on a 5 minute chart. So it started to go up, but then the whole market just reverses and hit the stop loss. So yeah, the price did spike up back to the highs where we expected to see this move to go. But yeah, I think the price just decided to just jump a bit lower, and then from there spike back up. So okay, this one didn't work, but never mind. pretty much we were right about the direction. It just the entry was probably too early. And if we just go back, yeah, see, I was definitely thinking this these three major resistance levels will become then support as we saw at this point. Therefore, I have entered the trade later on, but we did just get through this level, and then we just retest these levels again. So basically, we were right, or okay, I should say I was right. uh, but yeah, it just it happened, so it's fine for me. I'm not really upset about this trade. Um, yeah, this just happened sometimes, so it's fine. Next, USD CAD. There was this trade where we also enter after we start like consolidating around these highs, and we enter the sell position, and it actually go pretty fast to our favor, which where we just hit the take profit, and then the price went back up. So again, nice trade. Can't really complain. It was a good decision based on the previous highs. So I'm very satisfied with the outcome. Um, Maybe if I would then go and wait for another setup, I might probably take even this huge downtrend, or I'm not sure if I would call it a downtrend, but anyway, it's a push down. It would be nice, but never mind. It's still good. The trade went positive. We took profit, and that's the actually only thing that matters. You don't have to take every trade unless you the trade you open are good. So here is another open trade which still runs. That's um, USD Swift. Um, this is basically two-in-one trade where I was thinking about a short-term trade, so not really anything that would take too long to uh, just hit our take profit or stop loss. So as you can see, I placed the order from the higher time frame at this level, and then I also just I didn't really add to the trade. I just put my, this tool for risk to reward ratio, so that I would find out if I would place the order short term, if it would also work out, which actually, as you can see, did. And after a little bit of consolidation, then it just break it to the downside, hit the take profit, uh, get basically to our expected level, where the price then reverses and just spike back up. Um, so it's again head and shoulders pattern on a higher time frame. So if we go to like 1 hour, you can already see the really nice head and shoulders pattern, and the uh, like the neckline, it's over here. So that was also the reason why I took short position, because it was we were already below the neckline. So I'm also currently selling from this higher time frame. As you can see, we are now in the head and shoulders pattern, which shows that there might be trend reversal. So I will see if this one will also work out to decide which one would probably suit better. But anyway, I rather took these short-term trades instead of just keep it for like a month. because this can take really even up to a 1 month if there will be some sort of consolidation for some time, and that's what I'm not really into. But of course, on the other hand, should be more safe to take such trades like this one instead of those short ones, because they are probably more risky, as the market might really just go up and down as it wants. So I will wait what will happen next, and if this one will fail, uh, not really saying that it's a bad trade, because we got these head and shoulders. We are overall like it's still a downtrend, although there looks like a rejection of these levels. So we might get in the consolidation in a range, and therefore this might do whatever. It might just go down, it might just get a small push lower and then break up. Everything is possible. We don't know. From the short-term trade, we were successful, and for the long term, we will definitely see. I will keep this running until I got a positive result. Like positive, I don't mean it must be um, profit, but it will be some sort of outcome that will give me a result. I still think that this is a good trade. Doesn't really matter what will actually happen. I I believe that this decision is definitely a good decision. So, but yeah, want to see the outcome. Probably just to see if maybe the take profit and stop loss is at the correct spot, because this is something I might definitely consider. I'm sure about the decision that we should sell this market. It's really just to find out if our um, to reward ratio really works, if we should change something in the approach of just set and forget. I open a trade and I will just leave it, or I should some sort of mm, or somehow manage the trade also when I will see that it might probably just reverse and go up. If I should just leave it, if we will go up and just hit our stop loss, or maybe just exit early. Probably it's better to just leave it, because if I decide to manage manually and get out of the trades earlier, and then I will see that it will push to the take profit, it might be a bad habit for me once I will go and trade live again, basically, because then I will probably um, you know be too active in the trading decisions, and I will probably just don't be that patient to wait to hit our take profits, and I might end up, just taking small profits against huge stop loss, which is not the best scenario I would like to have. So probably it's better to just leave it until it hits either stop loss or take profit, and create this habit of not touching the trade, so that I can allow the market to uh, work in my favor and hit our take profits. So that's why I decided to keep this one as well. So on a higher time frame, I definitely believe we might be now creating a bearish trend. Um, Although I know we were in a bullish trend for some time, but anyway, we just broke the structure of the uptrend. So we'll see. We'll see. Um, Next one. So this one was also a successful trade. Next one, we've got JBP CAD, which didn't end up as we expected. I was hoping to see some breakdown, but in the end, the price definitely just pushed down. We enter and then actually it just starts to ranging and shoot up against us. So this was I would consider this as a as a bad decision because there was not enough confirmation, I would say, although there was some, like these highs where the price just stopped, but that's pretty much it, right? A better solution, better option would be if I would enter around these levels somewhere, yeah, to enter a short position. Doesn't really matter that it spiked up, and we would definitely go to stop loss anyway. But it would make probably more sense to enter somewhere around here, around the lows of these of this range, instead of choosing this one. I was probably just thinking, okay, we are at the level of the last highs, and it's refusing this zone, so that's why I was thinking, okay, we might go even lower, but okay, this didn't really happen. So I'm not sure if I would consider this as a good trade, good decision, or maybe not even a bad decision. Nah, it always might go lower and hit our take profit. Doesn't really matter that it's a good decision. So I think this one was probably just not the best decision. I think what I saw is these two candles, because you see then it looked like we should go lower. We actually did, but the push down was not as far as I would expect it. So um, not sure if I would definitely call this as a bad trade or a good trade. Don't know. It just didn't work out, and I will just leave it as it is. So I'm not going to think too much about this one, but I think I should probably get some sort of more more confirmation to sell this pair. Okay, never mind. Next one, New Zealand yen. I think this one was definitely a counter trend trade, which sorry, which actually did end up as a failure. We hit the stop loss. We were going to the upside, and yeah, well, maybe I should go to break even at least. But anyway, it doesn't really matter. I think I should start thinking about buying probably right now, because you see, oops, sorry, sorry, folks. I always forget that I'm having this one over here. But yeah, the reason why I should think about buying right now is because there was this downtrend. We've made a lower high, but then we stopped creating a lower lows, and instead we are doing higher highs, higher lows, and again, but then we just reverses, right? We are now currently at this bottom, and it looks like it might go back up. So this one was just definitely a not clear uptrend when I was trying to enter the trade. I think I was also on low time frame, and I saw these like one, two, three rejections, and starting to rise up. But it was definitely too early. I should at least wait until this trend, well, interesting trend, uh, until this trend is validated, and that happened actually just right now. But then I should probably wait for a retracement, which happened at the moment. So this might be a good time to think about buying, but not sure if I will do right now. Immediately, I probably won't, because it might be just going for a flag pattern or a range or something like that. So might be not. Uh, could be that just to try and probably hit for these levels, right? Just to take if we can, maybe why not? But do I see a confirmation we should do it right now? Like I see some sort of small push, but nothing major that would definitely show me, okay, go and buy. If we go to a lower time frame, what do we see here? So, well, so this is one, and what do we have here? Actually, if I would see on this 5 minute, well, this one was a pretty nice candlestick. Let's see if this one will close above. I will probably just wait until it closes above this level, this next candle or next two. Then I would buy and I would shoot for the top of the range, probably just somewhere up here. And yeah, so this might be actually a good idea. Although it's a Friday evening, so I don't think there will be a lot of volatility to show me if we should enter the trade. And definitely before the weekend. But on the other hand, it doesn't really matter. We are not really entering a live trade, so we can still at least see if we would be right to enter that it makes sense to enter such trade. But I would probably not do that before weekend. I would probably just skip this one and wait what will happen on Monday. But okay, this could happen. Maybe you know what, we will definitely wait, even though we are on a demo account. It's better to keep the decisions as accurate as I would do it on a live account. So I'm basically doing exactly the same. So once I will be trading live, I will make the same decisions as I'm doing now. So okay, let's do it that way. I will definitely watch it, but I'm not going to enter anyway today. I will probably wait for Monday morning, and we will see what will happen around Monday. Okay, and then there was this last trade on New Zealand USD, which was also not the best trade, although there was a significant rejection at this level, and but then it just basically just roll over and go even lower. So we were also stopped out. But right again, it's 5 minute chart. This is really a small trade, so I think I was just dealing with a too small time frame. So I think I should be choosing a different time frame for my trading, like at least 15 minutes, maybe looking for entries and I don't know, maybe candlestick patterns or whatever on 5 minutes, but still I need to trade a higher time frame because it will be more accurate as the one on lower time frames. So right now I see something like a double bottom, and if we are we breaking this trend? Oh, actually, we're breaking the trend currently. Okay, so maybe I will keep an eye on this one as well. They're both the same, New Zealand USD. I would also think it should go up. Anyway, I would take only one of these two trades. I would expect to see something like going up, break these structure highs, and retrace anywhere, maybe somewhere around here, and then shoot up. So I would be buying around these levels. Okay, so I would probably wait if it will then retrace here, and then I would buy. I would not probably go straight away for this movement. It's anyway too slow because it's Friday evening. So let's wait on Monday. We will see if the price was going up, going down, or whatever will happen. So yeah, that's what I was looking at, and so this one was also a successful trade. And yeah, well, I'm thinking about testing a bit more. Of course, I'm still having a lot of testing in front of me, but on the other hand, I was also thinking about raising some funds and saving my own money to go live. But I was thinking to start with a challenge. So I would take a founded account, and this way I could go cheaper and trade a bigger account, which would give me better risk to reward ratio, less risk because I can definitely place small trades, but still have enough account to still have enough capital to trade with. So that's what I'm thinking at the moment that I should probably do, try, test, whatever. Um, and yeah, well, almost here. Okay, let's see. Yep, so I will I will keep an update on whatever will happen, whatever I think I should do, all my thing and like thought process, how I think about the market, what I feel about the market, but I would rather do it what I see and what I know instead of what I think, what I feel, because when I feel something, it might not be correct. But anyway, it's just probably lack of experience, but I work on getting these experiences, what I need to be successful. So wish me luck. If you like this kind of channel where you see how am I struggling with getting successful and how I learn maybe on my own mistakes, and you have any advice or a feedback, please leave me a comment. Tell me what do you think I should do different, or if you have any idea what I can use for my training. Um, that would definitely significantly help me getting to my goal much faster as I would do it just definitely on my own. So don't hesitate. Give me a comment. Give me your feedback. I'm more than happy to see them. I appreciate every single help from you guys. And also, if you want to help me raising my funds for live trading, then in the description of the video you will see you will find a link for PayPal donations. It doesn't really matter how much you would like to help and donate. Every penny counts, so I will be definitely grateful and thankful for every donation, so that I can start as early as possible. So this is so far everything. If you definitely like to see how am I, just chasing chasing the markets, you can give me a like, you can subscribe, you can share, you can do whatever you want. Basically, I don't really care that much because it's not about it's not really about getting this in front of you guys. It's basically more like a trading journal for myself so that I can just learn from it. But on the other hand, it will help me definitely to raise my funds. So also that's another purpose of this video. All right, so I think I've said more than enough. I'm not going to bother you anymore. You enjoy your day, evening, night, morning, or whatever time you're at and whatever time you are watching this video. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video once I will have any update or I will find any other trade to place. Okay, so have a nice day, night, evening, morning, whatever, and see you soon.